guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you the Messi PES, new Messi PES. So after downloading this PES, we have to extract with my password. You can see here I already downloaded it and extract here, and this password is Tricks Planet. This Planet 1, you can see here, and then extract here. I already did it, so I do not want to extract here. And after extracting, move this file to the Android and OBB folder. Move here guys. I already did all these steps, and after that, now open your game PES. You can see this patch here guys. New start screen of Messi, new background. Just watching this video, I am giving a simple review of this patch. If you like this patch, you can download and use it. It do not need any root access, or it do not get the ban your account. It is 100% safe for your account. As you can see guys, I changed many things. All of this file about Messi. If you need any other person patch, you can comment on the comment section. I will upload of your own choice. Squad management, mini face background, my team, player card, you can see the player card here. And you can see user information. You can get legend kit, Bangladesh and Indian special kit. I also get the Juventus, Barcelona, Real Madrid, United, Manchester United, Manchester City, and lots of kits here. You can see a model team. Here you can get the general team here. You can see legend kit is 8, and also you can get on the AFC Champions League. Here you can see it is a Bengali kit, Brazil, Indian kit it's, and also you can get other legend kit here. It is a legend kit, and many special kit also you can get in this patch. So if you like this patch, you can download and use it. So thank you for watching this video guys.
and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.